Hello, welcome back to Nerf Nerd Productions. We have mail today. Let's find out what it is. It's like Christmas. Ah. Is that it? That's it. I dropped something. What did I drop? There's a note. Packing invoice. That's just the bill. So this is a package from Out of Darts from his Etsy page. Got a lovely little thank you note. It says thanks. Thank you for shopping at Out of Darts shop and YouTube channel. Take great care to give you the best service possible and a wide selection of quality parts, accessories, and mods. If you're happy with your purchase, consider leaving me a review. Questions about your order, something I can do better, new product requests, just email me directly. And has his email, Instagram, videos, and shop. And a logo, Out of Darts. outofdarts.com. I will definitely be putting his Etsy page link on this video. A nifty little Out of Darts sticker. That'll be going up in a workstation. We have here, I know you guys have been eyeballing it, 110 headshot ammo, red and yellow. Yay! Seems to be just the same exact consistency and feel of rival rounds. Let's find out. Get back here. Rival. Headshot. I think the headshot ammo might actually be a little squishier. Same exact size. Nice. We will definitely be checking that out and doing a comparison on them. Not in this video, but at a later date. What else we have? We have time lock. Do not open ever. Haha. We have a rival mag. This one is from Lytake through Out of Darts. And for the most part, it's exactly the same. There's a slight difference. Yep. Okay. So this one here is Lytake's rival mag. This one here is Nerf's rival mag. Don't know if you can tell or not, but the Lytake's, the orange plastic is a little bit brighter. Their spring tension and all the functioning parts seem to be exactly the same. Same ridge. All little notches, all the same. The only big difference really is that on the Nerf version, we have a little hard piece of plastic right here, and on Lytake's, it's a piece of foam. It's really the only difference. Cool. That will come in handy for a project later down the road. Next up, we have, a spring. Not just any spring. This beefy monstrosity is K26. It's been precisionally cut by Out of Darts for the Nerf rival Chronos. The perfect size. Pre-cut, already ready to just slap it in. Edges squared off, ready to go. Nice. That'll make a nice beefy monster. So yes, we have all sorts of goodies. I seem to have misplaced the sticker already. Oh, it's under the rival rounds. Oh, that is it for this mail time. And you'll be seeing these things being used in videos relatively soon. Until next time, bye.